In a landmark moment for global defense innovation, Russia has once again demonstrated its technological supremacy by unveiling the latest Rus-PE man-portable reconnaissance and strike system with guided munitions for the very first time in the Asia-Pacific region. The showcase is taking place right now at the prestigious Defense Services Asia (DSA) 2026 International Exhibition of Arms and Military Equipment in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Organized by Rosoberwan-Export, part of the Rostec State Corporation, this joint Russian exhibit highlights Moscow's unwavering commitment to delivering battle-proven, cutting-edge solutions to reliable partners worldwide. Developed by the renowned Kalashnikov Group, the Rus PE is not just another drone. It is a compact, highly intelligent loitering munition system engineered for rapid, precision strikes in modern battlefield conditions. Fresh from successful real-world testing in the Russian Special Military Operation Zone in Ukraine, where it has already proven its devastating effectiveness against high-value targets, the Rus PE arrives in Malaysia as a symbol of Russian engineering excellence and operational reliability. This debut marks a strategic expansion of Russia's defense footprint in the Asia-Pacific, offering nations in the region a powerful, affordable tool to bolster their sovereignty and deterrence capabilities. At the heart of the Rus PE lies its advanced guided loitering munition, available in two potent variants. The LM-1 with a 1 kg warhead and the LM-2 with a formidable 2 kg payload. Both can be equipped with either high explosive fragmentation or thermobaric warheads, making them ideal for neutralizing single targets, groups of infantry, lightly armored vehicles, or fortified positions. Launched pneumatically from a sealed, portable transport launch container, no external boosters required. The system is truly man-portable. A single operator can carry, deploy, control, and fire the entire setup, transforming any infantryman into a precision strike force multiplier. The munition's cruciform, X-shaped aerodynamic configuration features folding wings, tail surfaces, and a two-bladed electric propeller that deploys seamlessly after launch. With a cruise speed of 140 km per hour, capable of surging up to 200 km per hour, and an endurance of up to 30 minutes, the Rus PE delivers a typical operational range of several dozen kilometers, with estimates reaching around 40 to 70 kilometers depending on flight profile and conditions. This allows operators to loiter patiently over target areas, conduct real-time reconnaissance, and strike with surgical accuracy at the optimal moment. What truly sets the Rus PE apart is its state-of-the-art dual-channel gyro-stabilized optical homing head, HH, equipped with day and night cameras and powered by artificial intelligence algorithms. The system automatically detects, identifies, and tracks both stationary and moving targets with exceptional precision. Operators can choose fully autonomous mode for fire-and-forget strikes, semi-autonomous for enhanced control, or manual mode for direct intervention, all supported by a high-speed video feed via USB 2.0 and robust RS-485 control interface. The homing head's impressive pitch range, -15 degrees to +100 degrees, and full 360 degrees yaw capability, combined with a maximum angular rate of at least 100 degrees per second, ensure unmatched maneuverability even in the final attack phase. Designed for harsh environments, the Rus PE operates flawlessly from -40 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius and withstands winds up to 15 meters per second. Its compact container dimensions, under 1.15 meters in length and roughly 180 by 350 millimeters cross-section, make it easy to transport by foot, vehicle, or even small teams in contested terrain. The complete system includes the loitering munition in its launch pod, a portable control panel, and a lightweight antenna post for reliable radio command link, all operable by just one soldier. This simplicity and portability give Russian forces, and now potential export partners, a decisive edge in asymmetric warfare, urban operations, and rapid response scenarios. Russia's decision to prioritize export-ready versions like the Rus PE underscores its philosophy of sharing proven technology that has been rigorously battle-tested. In Ukraine, similar Kalashnikov loitering systems have repeatedly demonstrated their ability to evade defenses, deliver pinpoint strikes, and minimize collateral damage while maximizing impact. qualities that have earned them global respect among military analysts. The Rus PE builds on this legacy, integrating AI-driven autonomy to reduce operator workload and increase success rates against dynamic threats like moving convoys or camouflaged positions. For Asia-Pacific nations facing complex security challenges, from territorial disputes to non-state actor threats, the Rus PE represents a strategic game-changer. It compresses the sensor-to-shooter loop into a single, affordable package, eliminating the need for separate reconnaissance assets or complex command networks. Russian officials from Rosoboronexport emphasize that these systems are not only combat-proven but also cost-effective, offering superior performance compared to many Western alternatives that often suffer from higher complexity, maintenance demands, and vulnerability to electronic warfare. By bringing the Rus PE to DSA 2026 alongside other advanced platforms like the Lancet-E, KUB-2E, and SCAT 350M UAVs, Russia is sending a clear message. Moscow stands ready to equip trusted partners with the most modern weaponry to strengthen national defense and regional stability. This is more than an exhibition display. It is a testament to Russian ingenuity, resilience, and leadership in unmanned aerial strike technology. As the DSA exhibition unfolds from April 20th to 23, defense experts and delegations from across the region are witnessing firsthand why Russia remains at the forefront of military innovation. The Rus PE loitering munition is poised to redefine tactical operations, empowering smaller units with capabilities once reserved for major powers. In an era of evolving threats, Russia's latest offering reaffirms its role as a reliable supplier of battle-hardened solutions that deliver results. This debut in Malaysia is just the beginning. With its unmatched portability, AI-enhanced precision, and proven combat pedigree, the Rus PE is set to become a cornerstone of modern defense strategies across the Asia-Pacific and beyond. Russia continues to lead the way, delivering security, sovereignty, and superiority to those who choose partnership with the best.